Amaji Samatun Tain, Radio Voice of St. London.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most kind. Assalamu alaikum, Haq Majood. Hello and welcome to the show. You're listening to Radio Voice of St. London, and this is me, Yasir Kazi, with your, it's so early to say your favorite show, but a show which is for all the listeners, especially who love sin and especially who want to explore sin, who want to know about sin, and who are unknown with the beauty of Indus Valley civilization. The name of the show, the name of this radio program is Indus Melodies, and with the second program of season 1 of Indus Melodies, this is me, your host, Yasir Kazi. All my listeners are welcome to the show wherever you are listening throughout the globe, including Sindh. This is the show which contains the fragrance of the Indus Valley civilization and Sindh. As I told you, this is the second show. This is the second edition of season number 1 of Indus Melodies. It is Saturday, Muharram al-Haram, 23rd, 1442, and September 12th, 2020. This is the 28th of Baddo 2077 of Sindhi calendar, which is also called Bakrami calendar, and you all know that this show is produced once a week, and the timing of this show is 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time and 11 a.m. as per UK, United Kingdom Standard Time, and it is repeated at 10 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time and 6 p.m. as per United Kingdom Standard Time. So, as we always start every conversation with the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful, who has created us and who feeds us, who knows everything, every desire of our heart, and who knows what we want to do, who knows our merits and demerits, and who is aware of everything exists in all the universes. This is the beautiful voice of Fakir Abdul Ghafoor, and Fakir Abdul Ghafoor is singing the poetry of Mehdi Shah, who belongs to the central part of Sindh. We will be discussing about various parts of Sindh, that which are the geographical bifurcations of Sindh, the present Sindh. So the central part of Sindh is called and considered and known as Vicholo, and he belongs to Vicholo, and there's a small town near Moro, district Nowshera Feroz, which is called Shahpur Jahania. He is resting there. So Fakir Abdul Ghafoor is singing his poetry, and this is the praise of God, and not only the praise of God, but the prayer from God that, oh God, please forgive us what the sins we have committed, intentionally or intentionally, please forgive us. Let's start from this beautiful number, beautiful melody, Malik Toba Todar.
Toba Todar, ve Malik Toba Todar, ve Hadi Toba Todar, Shalwa Gawariyan Saath, Shalwa Gawariyan Saath, Piri Panjo Karam Kar, ve Malik Toba Todar, ve Hadi Toba. आहे अगाहूं ओ यजीद जुल्हाऊं कैला करी तो तकरियों टकरियो इब्लीस आदम रखी दो के कमरे इनके वारे नबी इनके वारे नबी की हूँ अज ताई का पर वे मालिक तो मासूदर से हादी तो मासूदरी शलवा गवार यसान शलवा गवा यसान से पीरी पाए जो करम कर वे मालिक तो मासूदर से हादी तो बाजार लगे बत वन जींदन वन झारे दूर दराज तू आए बैठे ओ दूर दराज तू आ बैठे ने शराब बहु सारे कुछ सराफिन कर बल दे कुछ शाम वाले बाजारे कुछ मदीने मशहद दे ओ कुछ मदीने मशहद दे कुछ बगदाद वाले दीवारे मूसा के तजली जलाए कई ज़ाहिरी जरगी सके जपाट जरगी सके जपाट अयूब के साबिर वे मालिक तो मां तो दर वे हादी तो मां तो दर शलवा गवानी असान शलवा गवा यसान से पीरी पाए जो करम कर वे मालिक तो मां तो दर वे हादी तो मां धरदार तेरे उधार धरदार तेरे उधार हम का जमा सर वे मालिक तो मां तो वे मालिक तो मां तो चलवा गवारी आसान चलवा गवा यसान से तेरी पाए जो कर्म कर वे मालिक तो मां तो वे हादी तो मां ज़ाहिर में तू मोहम्मद बातों में परवरे महदी अली की सूरत महदी अली की सूरत हूँ पिया मजे मुन कर वे मालिक तो मां तो वे हादी तो मां तो दरे चलवा गवार साथ चलवा गवा ये साथ पीरी पाए जो करम कर वे मालिक तोबा तोबा वे आदि तोबा
We started with the name of Almighty Allah. This was a beautiful presentation which was sung by Fakir Abdul Ghafoor. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies. I'm Yasir Kazi with you. Let us move forward with the beautiful poetry of Sachal Sarmast. I mentioned about Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, the greatest poet of Sindh, in my last week's show, the first edition of season number 3. And I also mentioned about Sachal Sarmast, who is the poet of his school of thought. Right after his era comes the era of Sachal Sarmast. Ayaz Ali is singing the poetry of Sachal Sarmast.
के सारे चेज सलाम बांधी मुझे यार के सारे चेज सलाम सारे चेज सलाम ओ सारे चेज सलाम बांधी मुझे यार के सारे चेज सलाम चेज सलाम बांधी मुझे यार के सारे चेज सलाम कदे कदे जा अंजाम सारे चेज सलाम बांधे मुझे यार के सारे चेज सलाम मोहब्बत मुझी रोज असल मोहब्बत मुझी रोज अजल खो तो सा मोहब्बत सारे चेज सलाम बांधे मुझे यार के सारे चेज सलाम सच्चू अजे हा के तेरा सच्चू अजे हा के तेरा कर तुझे ते गुलाम सारे चेज सलाम बांधे मुझे यार के सारे चेज सलाम सारे चेज सलाम ओ सारे चेज सलाम बांधे मुझे यार के सारे चेज सलाम बांधे मुझे यार के सारे चेज सलाम
So, listeners, we were listening to the poetry of Sachal Sarmast, one of the eminent classical poets of Sindh, and we also will be discussing about the genres of Sindhi poetry and literature. And among the genres of Sindhi literature, Sindhi poetry especially, a main part of Sindhi poetry is led by multiple classical poets of Sindh, and this genre is called classical poetry of Sindh. So Sachal Sarmast passed away some 192 years back, and he was the poet of 4 languages, but he's misinterpreted as the poet of 7 languages. Basically, he's the poet of 4 languages. He has quoted some lines from Arabic and Punjabi and Hindi also, but he is considered to be the poet of 4 languages mainly. In Sindhi, he has composed his poetry at maximum, and then in Saraiki, in Persian, and also some of the portion of his poetry is written in Rekhta, which was the initial shape of Urdu. So we can call him a poet of Urdu or a poet of Rekhta. So in this poetry which you just heard in Indus Melodies, he speaks to a person who goes by the way, and he is asking about his beloved, that whether you have seen him or not, because he is finding, the seeker is finding his beloved, and he is asking a person who goes by the way that have you observed seeing my beloved from this way. So let's move forward with the beautiful voice of Rubina Qureshi. Rubina Qureshi is titled as the Nightingale of Sindh, and the major portion of his performance belongs to Radio Pakistan Hyderabad, and Radio Pakistan Hyderabad was the place where she met Mustafa Qureshi, one of the superstars of Urdu and Punjabi and some of the Sindhi films. So they got married, and now she is the life partner of Mustafa Qureshi the Great. But it is very sad to share with you that she is going through her treatment of cancer. May she live long with the sound health. We all can pray, and we all should pray. Rather, we all must pray that may she get well soon. Let's listen to the voice of Rubina Qureshi in Indus Melodies.
जागी काट्यां रातियों साईं जागी काट्यां रातियों जागी काट्यां रातियों साईं जागी काट्यां रातियों नैनन में निंद नाहे तो नैनन में निंद नाहे तो अखड़ियों आहिन आतियों जागी काट्यां रातियों साईं जागी काट्यां रातियों जागी काट्यां रातियों साईं जागी काट्यां रातियों जागी काट्यां रातियों साईं जागी काट्यां रातियों हुस्न सदा बरसातियूं जागी काटियां रातियूं साईं जागी काटियां रातियूं जागी काटियां रातियूं साईं जागी काटियां रातियूं आहे मुंहिंजी हयाती तूं न रुठे ॼण मूंखां रुसी वे आहे मुंहिंजी हयाती दम ते नाहे मिठड़ा भरोसो जीव में पाए का छाती दम ते नाहे मिठड़ा भरोसो जीव में पाए का छाती पर जीवन्यो प्यारा मूसां पर जीवन्यो प्यारा मूसां करके मिठड़ियूं बातियूं जागी काटियां रातियूं साईं जागी काटियां रातियूं जागी काटियां रातियूं साईं जागी काटियां रातियूं
Welcome, folks. You are listening to the beautiful voice of Rubina Qureshi, and this is Indus Melodies. You are listening this show from Radio Voice of St. London. I'm Yasir Kazi with you, and this is a weekly show, and you listen to this show every week at this time. Let me include a number from, again, a Sindhi film, as we heard a song from a Sindhi film that was released in all over the world, but that was made in India. So let's include a duet in the voices of, I'm not going to tell you the names of the voices, I'll tell you in the end, but let me tell you the name of this movie. The movie was Padevari, which means the neighboress, the she neighbor, a woman who lives in your neighbor. This was a beautiful movie containing very beautiful songs. So folks, as we always mention that the great voices of a subcontinent always feel proud to sing in Sindhi, voices which are being heard and liked and loved throughout the subcontinent. Udit Narayan and Sadhana Sargam.
मां आशिक तुझो आया ओ सुहिणी सजनी मां आशिक तुझो आया ओ सुहिणी सजनी मां तू दिल दे तू दिल दे तू दिल दे मूंखे दिलबर
मां आशिक तुझी आया ओ सुहिणा साई मां आशिक तुझी आया ओ सुहिणा साई मां तू दिल दे मूंखे दिलबर
मां आशिक तुझो आया ओ सुहिणी सजनी मां
आशिक तुझी आया ओ सुहिणा साई मां
मुझे दिल में दर्द थिए थो तोखे पेर में कंडो लगे थो मुझे दिल में दर्द थिए थो तोखे पेर में कंडो लगे थो मुझे दिल में दर्द थिए थो मुझे दिल में दर्द थिए थो अचु जख्म ते मलहम लगाया ओ सुहिणे सजनी मां अचु जख्म ते मलहम लगाया ओ सुहिणे सजनी मां आशिक तुझो आया ओ सुहिणे सजनी मां मां आशिक तुझो आया ओ सुहिणे सजनी मां
आशिक तुझी आया ओ सुहिणा साई मां
दिल जो गहनो आया अचु प्यार जो सबक सिखाया ओ सुहिणे सजनी मां अचु प्यार जो सबक सिखाया ओ सुहिणे सजनी मां आशिक तुझो आया ओ सुहिणे सजनी मां
ओ सुहिणा साई मां
ओ सुहिणे सजनी मां
ओ सुहिणा साई मां
ओ सुहिणे सजनी
So folks, we were listening to the voices of Udit Narayan and Sadhana Sargam. This was a beautiful duet which is remade by various singers of Sindh in different shapes, but the main theme of the song remains the same. The lyrics express that the hero of the movie was expressing his love for the character performing against him as his beloved, that I love you the most. I'm the person who loves you from the core of my heart. And Sadhana Sargam reciprocates the same expression with Udit Narayan. So folks, you are listening to the show Indus Melodies from Radio Voice of Sindh, London, and as we are discussing about Sindhi movies, there was an old movie, Abana. I included one of the songs from Abana in my yesterday's Sindhi show, which is called Suraj Shakhon Kadhiyon, and I also mentioned during my English show that you can also listen to my Sindhi show twice a week, which is called Suraj Shakhon Kadhiyon on Tuesday and Friday. Yesterday was Friday, and I included one of the songs from Abana. Abana means parental, and this movie was released in 1958, just after 9 years of the partition of India. And it was subjected on the partition, the pain of the partition, because the people who left the present Pakistan, the present Sindh, and they left their everything, their belongings, their homes, their businesses, their shops, their factories, and all their setup. They migrated from this land, and especially the thing which was extremely painful for those, that was to leave their homes, to leave their roots, and to leave their friends. So this is a beautiful melody from the same Abana, and I mentioned yesterday also that one of the most talented actresses of the subcontinent, Sadhana, who was from Shikarpur, who was born in Karachi, performed in Abana, and then she performed in various Hindi films also, like Urdu films also, from India when she migrated. So let's listen to this song from Abana. Crow is considered to be a symbol of messaging, especially when it talks while sitting on the terrace of a residence. Every resident thinks that some guests will come, whose presence and whose arrival is a matter of pleasure for us. He is about to come, or she is about to come. One of the significances of crow is also, in the olden days, to send message to your beloved. So in the song also, the singer wants to communicate something to his beloved through the crow, through the kanga. Let's listen to this beautiful melody in Indus Melodies, which you are listening from Radio Voice of Sindh, London.
Oh ठोड़ तुझी चमके दंद तुझा जरा मोती जी ठोड़ तुझी चमके घाए छजे घरन खे घाए छजे घरन खे गुलफाम वेंदे वेंदे लो वेंदे 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 कांगा जाए पिरन खे कांगा जाए पिरन खे
So, listeners, this was messaging through the crow, through a bird who cannot speak but can communicate the messages to your beloved. So, it is still believed in some of the circles of our society that it is the symbol of messaging to the beloved, and also it brings the message of somebody's arrival on our doorsteps. So, moving forward to the next song, let me share with you that this is Indus Melodies. You are listening this show from Radio Voice of Sin, London, and you can listen to this show on every Saturday, 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time and 11 a.m. as per United Kingdom Standard Time, and it is repeated at 10 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time, 20 at the night, and 6 p.m. 1800 hours as per UK Standard Time. As I mentioned, and as I always remind you, that you can listen to my Sindhi show, which is called Suraj Shaakhon Kadiyun. The sun has spread its light and the rays of the light on the earth, which is, as you understand from its name, a breakfast disc jockey show, which is broadcasted twice a week on Tuesdays and on Fridays at 10 in the morning as per Pakistan Standard Time and 6 in the morning as per UK Standard Time. And you can listen to its repeat broadcast at 6 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time, 1800 hours GMT plus 5, and at 2 p.m. 1400 hours as per UK Standard Time, the London time. So, Ali Dost Ajiz is one of the contemporary poets of Sindh and one of the beautiful poets of Sindh, and he feels proud to be called and considered to be one of the poets of the school of thought of Ustad Bukhari, as we mentioned about Ustad Bukhari in our yesterweek's program. So, this is a beautiful poetry by Ali Dost Ajiz, which is sung by Khadim Sakhirani. Khadim Sakhirani says, Galhain ya nab galhai, whether you talk or not, but you have come to where I dwell. You have come to my doorsteps. That's all for me. Whether you talk or not, but your presence is everything for me. Here we go.
टियां बिदबा ॿिया बिदियां थो टियां बिदबा ॿिया बिदियां थो टियां बिदबा पहिरियां पहिरियां प्यार तपा पहिरियां पहिरियां प्यार तपा आए हाँ ठरी त्योहार आए हाँ ठरी त्योहार गाल्हाए न बिगाल्हाए गाल्हाए न बिगाल्हाए पंहिंजे बुत तां लाथल कपिड़ो पंहिंजे बुत तां लाथल कपिड़ो पंहिंजे बुत तां लाथल कपिड़ो मुंहिंजी मोहबत के पारा मुंहिंजी मोहबत के पारा आए हाँ ठरी त्योहार आए हाँ ठरी त्योहार गाल्हाए न बिगाल्हाए गाल्हाए न बिगाल्हाए लम्हे में छा थियो हाल लम्हे में छा थियो हाल लम्हे में छा थियो हाल थोरो पुठिते कंध वराय थोरो पुठिते कंध वराय आए हाँ ठरी त्योहार आए हाँ ठरी त्योहार गाल्हाए न बिगाल्हाए गाल्हाए न बिगाल्हाए जाए केरी हूंदी हुई दिल जाए आए यहाँ ठरी त्योहार आए यहाँ ठरी त्योहार गालाए न पिघालाए गालाए न पिघालाए
So, listeners, we were listening to the poetry of beautiful lyrics of Ali Dost Ajiz and the voice of Khadim Sakhirani. And Khadim Sakhirani also belongs to Dadu, and Ali Dost Ajiz belongs to the Kacho part of Sindh. And Kacho is the mountainous part of Sindh, which meets with Kohistan and the lower Sindh. And when you look at the map of Sindh, the western part of Sindh contains the mountainous ranges, and the eastern part of Sindh contains the sand, the deserts, which includes Achrothar. It starts from Sakhar, Salepat, which is called the northern Sindh, and then it comes down to the desert of Naro. Some part of it is in Khairpur district, and some part of it lies in Sangar district, and then it comes to Achrothar, the white desert, which is a part of Sangar district, and then it comes to Tharparkar, which is the desert of red sand. Let's listen to this Marwadi song by Nazar Muhammad Marwadi.
तुम आवल हम उठ मिला तुम आवल हम उठ मिलल हम आदर तुम मान अरे दिन दिल जो भल घटत है रे अरे जरो बत को करूं अपमान क्या करी यारा गाढ़ा मारू ओ टड़े लारे चुना अरे दियो धीमा मारू इतारा चुना हे आजी मारिड़ा मारा अरे दियो गाढ़ा मारू इतारा चुना हे आजी मारिड़ा मारा काकरियारा गाढ़ा मारू कोटड़ लारे चुनाव अरे जीवो धीमा मारू इतारा चुनाहे आजी मारिड़ा मारा अरे जीवो गाढ़ा मारू इतारा चुनाहे आजी मारिड़ा मारा मारू रे हड़ लारे पड़े रे पड़े रे पड़े अरे दियो गाढ़ा मारू इतारा चुनाहे आजी मारिड़ा मारा अरे दियो गाढ़ा मारू इतारा चुनाहे आजी मारिड़ा मारा करियारा गाढ़ा मारू ओ टड़े लारे चुना अरे जीवो धीमा मारू इतारा चुनाहे आजी मारिड़ा मारा अरे जीवो धीमा मारू इतारा चुनाहे आजी मारिड़ा मारा मारू लूहड़ रे रे पड़े रे पड़े रे पड़े अरे जीवो धीमा मारू बीजणियो जाली थे तू आजी लाव जो मारा रा अरे जीवो गाजा मारू बीजणियो जाली थे तू आजी लाव जो मारा रा काकरिया रा गाधा मारू कोटड़े लारे चुना अरे दियो धीमा मारू इटारा चुनाएलू आजी मारी रामा रारा अरे दियो गाधा मारू इटारा चुनाएलू आजी मारी रामा रारा गाधा मारू सियड़ लो रे पड़े रे पड़े अरे जीवो धीमा मारू सिरख रे पत्थर हाथ तू आजी राव जो मारा रा अरे जीवो गाधा मारू सिरख रे पत्थर हाथ तू आजी राव जो मारा रा करिया रा गाधा मारू कोटड़ लारे चुना अरे जीवो धीमा मारू इटारा चुनाएलू आजी मारी रामा रारा अरे जीवो गाधा मारू इटारा चुनाएलू आजी मारी रामा
Alright, dear folks, you are listening to Nazar Muhammad Marwadi, and he was singing a Marwadi song. Marwadi is also one of the languages which are considered to be the second language of this land. As I mentioned, Saraiki is also considered and counted among the second language of this land, and Marwadi also. And as we mentioned earlier about the Thar desert, it is also spoken in Thar, and it is also spoken in the lower part of Sindh, which are Badin and Thatta, some of the portions of it, and of course it is spoken in Karachi. Karachi especially is the hub of many languages. Karachi is the home to people belonging from various cultures, various nations, various languages, and one of the local languages which is spoken since centuries in Karachi also, that is Marwadi. I'm so sorry, I cannot understand Marwadi, so I did not know about what the singer was singing during this song, so I cannot translate it, but I hope that it would be something nice which is expressed through this song. You're listening to Indus Melodies, which is a weekly show and being aired on every Saturday. And if you have just joined, let me welcome you to the show. This is me, Yasir Kazi, with you, your RJ. Let me take you to a beautiful number from film Nafrat. This was a Sindhi movie, and about the voice, you know, because I introduced this voice last week also, who is Ishrat Jahan. And we heard a duet of Ishrat Jahan and Muhammad Yusuf in our yesterday week's show. This is a beautiful number from film Nafrat. And in this song, in this light and cute number, Ishrat Jahan expresses that every second, every passing moment, I remember you by heart cordially because you are my beloved, and this is the foremost duty, the most pleasant duty I possess and perform, to remember you. You are also requested to remember me because I always remember you. Let's listen to this song. Here we go.
पल पल कहेंगी सार सावल पल पल कहेंगी सार मुख पल पल कहेंगी सार सावल पल पल कहंदी सार दिल दर्द जी मारी दिल दर्द जी मारी रोए बेचारी अट मोटी दिलदार मुखे पल पल कहंदी सार सावल पल पल कहंदी सार सावल पल पल कहंदी सार पल कहंदी सार महंगी ही मजबूर मोहब्बत रोयो करे फरियाद महंगी ही मजबूर मोहब्बत रोयो करे फरियाद प्यार करे ही न दुनिया अंदर कहर क्यों आबाद हो अला हर मोहिंदी जवानी मारी रोए रोजा मुख पल पल कहंदी सार सावल पल पल कहंदी सार
Welcome to the show. Muke pal pal tuhji sar, saval pal par tuhji sar. Oh my beloved, oh the beautiful beloved, I remember you every moment. This is Indus Melodies, which is being broadcasted from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. This is me, Yasir Kazi, as we included a beautiful color of Marwadi in this show. And of course, we are including the beauty of Sindhi language, and we will be including all those languages which are spoken in this region in Indus Valley Civilization, as I shared the synopsis of this show with you last week. So let's listen to this Saraiki song. This is written by Khwaja Ghulam Farid, one of the greatest poets of Saraiki. He was originally a Sindhi poet. By his community, he was Korejo. Khwaja Ghulam Farid was born on November 25th, 1845, and he died on July 24th, 1901. So let's listen to this song in which Khwaja Ghulam Farid wants to express. This song belongs to the famous folklore love story of Heer Ranjha. And in the expression of Heer, he praises Ranjha as Shah Ranjha Albela, Jogi Jadugar, Sami Jadugar. When Ranjha came into my life, he came as a scent and he made me scent. Let's listen to this Kafi. This is the genre of Kafi, specially sung and written in Sindhi, Saraiki and Punjabi poetry traditions. So this is written by Khwaja Ghulam Farid and sung by Ustad Muhammad Juman for Pakistan Television. Here we go.
शारांजा अलबेला शारांजा अलबेला जो भी जादूगर वे स्वामी जादूगर जो भी जादूगर वे स्वामी जादूगर शारांजा अलबेला शारांजा अलबेला जोगी जादूगर वे स्वामी जादूगर जोगी जादूगर वे स्वामी जादूगर तक हजारों राजन आया तक हजारों राजन आया तक हजारों राजन आया तक हजारों राजन आया हीर तती दे घर वे जोगी जादूगर वे स्वामी जादूगर जोगी जादूगर वे स्वामी जादूगर शारांजा अलबेला शारांजा अलबेला जोगी जादूगर वे स्वामी जादूगर जोगी जादूगर वे स्वामी जादूगर राजा जोगी मैं जोग्यानी राजा जोगी मैं जोग्यानी राजा जोगी मैं जोग्यानी राजा जोगी मैं जोग्यानी तितड़ी इश्क खबर वे जोगी जादूगर वे स्वामी जादूगर जोगी जादूगर वे स्वामी जादूगर शारांजा अलबेला शारांजा अलबेला जोगी जादूगर वे स्वामी जादूगर जोगी जादूगर वे स्वामी जादूगर यारो फरीद न विसरम हर किस यार फरीद विसरम हर किस यारो फरीद न विसरम हर किस यार फरीद न विसरम हर किस रोती वे सामर वे जोगी जादूगर वे स्वामी जादूगर जोगी जादूगर वे स्वामी जादूगर शारांजा अलबेला शारांजा अलबेला जोगी जादूगर वे स्वामी जादूगर जोगी जादूगर वे स्वामी जादूगर
So, listeners, we were listening to the beautiful kalam of Khwaja Ghulam Farid in the vocals of Ustad Muhammad Juman. Muhammad Juman was a great artist of this land, and originally he was from Lasbela, and Lasbela once used to be the part of Sindh, which is now the part of Balochistan. So he belonged to Sakhirani community. He and his cousin Muhammad Hassan, Ustad Muhammad Hassan, they both came to Radio Pakistan Karachi, and they joined Radio Pakistan Karachi, Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation Karachi as musicians, because they both were flute players. So originally Ustad Muhammad Jumman is a music composer, and then he started singing and he sang his compositions also, but he has contributed more than 300 tunes, and especially the tunes from the poetry of Hazrat Shah Latif Bhittai, and he has composed his poetry, Shah Latif's poetry, originally in those melodies, in those tunes on which the poetry is originally written. So this is a great contribution, and everybody praised Ustad Muhammad Juman. Till now his tunes are being sung, and once R.D. Burman, Rahul Dev Burman, one of the greatest music directors of the subcontinent, praised Ustad Muhammad Juman also. So folks, this is the time to say you goodbye and to wrap up the show, and I'm going to leave you with this beautiful melody by Sayyid Suleiman Shah. Sayyid Suleiman Shah was another gem of this land who not only sang but also performed on the singing, and he was a beautiful performer, and I think that he was the last singer of the Bhagati school of thought. What is Bhagati school of thought we will be discussing in next shows, but he performed as he sang. The performance of his eyes and his hands and his style of dancing during the interval of the song was fabulous and tremendous. So let's listen to this beautiful song, Dil Tokhe Dei Dard Pirayo. I have gained only pain after being in love with you. So this is the complaint from the beloved, and I hope and I pray that beloveds should pay their attention towards such complaints. This is Sayyid Suleiman Shah, and I'm going to leave you with this beautiful melody, and inshallah al-Aziz, if the health permitted and if the circumstances allowed me to see you, I'll see you on Tuesday in my morning breakfast show, Suraj Shakhun Kadiyon, at 10 o'clock in the morning as per Pakistan Standard Time, and 6 o'clock in the morning as per United Kingdom Standard Time. If you are the listener of this show, Indus Melodies only, we will be meeting inshallah al-Aziz by next week, 3 p.m. 1500 hours as per Pakistan Standard Time, and 11 o'clock as per London Time, United Kingdom Standard Time, GMT plus 1. So please extend your feedback. You can share your feedback on my email, djyasirkazi@yahoo.com, djyasirqazi@yahoo.com. You can extend your feedback through my YouTube channel, Yasir Qazi, YASIRQAZI, through my Facebook page, which is facebook.com/DJ Yasir Qazi, or the Facebook page of Radio Voice of Sindh London. And also you can share your feedback through my Twitter. My Twitter handle is @Yasir Qazi. So, aloha means we are not going to be departed, and we are always together. Whenever you want to find me around, I'll be there. Phir milenge gar khuda laya. If God brought, we'll meet again and see you again. Take care, goodbye and Allah Hafiz. Tata and bye-bye. Over and out.
पछतायो दर्द किरायो दिली तोखे दई दर्द किरायो गुरबत दे में काबू आया गुरबत दे में काबू आया आई गए रन जे गम खां पई जन आई गए रन जे गम खां दुनिया जे हर रंजालम खां दुनिया जे हर रंजालम खां साजन तुंहिंजो सूर सवायो दिली तोखे ॾेई दर्द पिरायो दिली तोखे ॾेई दर्द पिरायो गाए मूं पछतायो दर्द पिरायो दिली तोखे ॾेई दर्द पिरायो दुनिया रास न आई तो बिन दुनिया रास न आई तुझे फुरकत जान जलाई तुझे फुरकत जान जलाई मोहब्बत मन में मच मचायो दिली तोखे ॾेई दर्द पिरायो दिली तोखे ॾेई दर्द पिरायो आए मूं पछतायो दर्द पिरायो दिली तोखे ॾेई दर्द पिरायो दिली तोखे ॾेई दर्द पिरायो दिली तोखे ॾेई दर्द पिरायो
सिंध मुंहिंजी अमा सूंह तुंहिंजी मथां छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां सिंध मुंहिंजी अमा
दुनिया जा सिंधियो हिक मुठ थी सिंध बचायो
सिंध मुंहिंजी अमा सूंह तुंहिंजी मथां छा लिखां
सिंध जो क़ौमी आवाज़ रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन। रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन पंहिंजी नशरियात में सिंध जी सियासत, समाज, इक़्तिसादियात, तारीख़, क़ौमी उमंगुनि ऐं अख़लाक़ियात मुतलिक़ सिंध जी हक़ीक़ी तर्जमानी कंदे प्रोग्रामनि खे असराइतो बणाइण लाइ सिंध जे घण घुरनि ऐं धरतीअ सां प्यार कंदड़ अदीबनि, दानिश्वरनि, सहाफ़ियुनि, उस्तादनि, वकीलनि ऐं हर तबिके जे मानवारनि सजणनि खे सिंध में शऊरी इनकलाब लाइ सहकार जो सॾु ॾियूं था। अचो त गॾिजी सूफ़ियुनि ऐं संतनि वारी सिंध जो ओज हिकु मुठ थी वरी वापसि आणण वारे सफ़र जा साथारी बणिजऊं। हिक नए सुबुह जी शुरूआत जो पड़ाॾो घर घर ॻोठ ॻोठ ऐं शहर शहर ताईं पहुचायो। शाल सिंध आबाद ऐं ख़ुशहाल थिए, सिंधी माण्हू सुखियो ऐं सताबो थिए।